welcome back. Thank you so much for being here. Again, pardon my voice. I am not feeling so hot. Christopher definitely passed his germs along to me, but that is the life of a mother. Again, thank you so much for being here. I do appreciate it. If you are new, please consider hitting subscribe. We would love to have you join our YouTube family. And guys, don't forget we have multiple giveaways coming up, at least 3 if not 4 here in the next couple of weeks, so you definitely want to stay tuned for that. And please do leave a comment down below telling me what you thought of the video, and as always, give the video a thumbs up. It really does help me out. So this, as you can see from the description below, is just a little mini Tarte haul. There were a couple of things that I wanted to pick up, and if you've been with me, if you have been watching my videos and been following me, you know that Tarte is one of my favorite brands. I just generally enjoy their products, but I also do love the fact that they are vegan, most of their products, and cruelty-free for everything. So that is really important to me. And then again, like I said, they just have such amazing products, and they have beautiful makeup, they have great skincare, just they have it all. So there were 2 things that I wanted to get, one of which, again, if you know, Tarte is my favorite, one of which is like kind of a cult classic for Tarte, and I actually did not have, and I finally decided it was time. And that is the Tarte Shape Tape Concealer. So I did finally pick this up. I got the color Fair because I embrace my paleness. And this is actually quite larger than I thought it would be. This will last, you can kind of see right there, and then it says the Double Duty Beauty. So this size for a concealer, I feel will last a really, really long time. I mean, you just use a little bit under your eyes, and then it's gonna last for a while. I want to see the applicator. Okay, I was wondering because I have a few of their different foundations, and they have like the largest doe foot, and the concealer does as well. So I am excited to give this a try and use this. Again, I've heard great things, and I do know, again, the Tarte Shape Tape Concealer is kind of a cult favorite amongst the beauty community. So again, this is in the shade Fair. And I also picked up the Double Duty Beauty Sponge because I just feel like, I think take it out of here. It's about to go in the bathroom anyway. Well, okay. I don't know if the cold meds are just getting to my brain, but I could not like get this part to open, so I just used my box cutter and got it out. First of all, I love this color. This is my like second favorite next to like a teal. But I like that it has like the normal end, for like a beauty sponge. But I do like this slanted end because I feel like you can, get in there, pat it in. So I wanted to give this a try. I do like how this feels. Obviously it's not wet, but I do think that this feels really nice. And very similar, in my opinion, to an actual beauty blender. So we'll see how it performs. And then the final product that I picked up, excuse me, I apologize. Excuse me, is from their Rainforest of the Sea line. Now, this is one of my favorite things from them. Not this product, I haven't tried this, but the Rainforest of the Sea. I have so many products from their Rainforest of the Sea collection line. I apologize, excuse me. I have the Drink of H2O moisturizer, which I absolutely love. It's like a water cream moisturizer. And I love, especially during the summer, that it does moisturize your face and give you that level of moisturization that you want without leaving your skin feeling heavy or greasy or anything like that. And then I also do have the Rainforest of the Sea setting spray, setting mist, which I love. It smells amazing. That has been actually one of my favorite Tarte products from the beginning. And then, of course, I do have some of their Rainforest of the Sea eyeshadow palettes. This is one of the products, I just in general was looking for this type of product. And when I went to order that, I saw this and I was just like, that looks really pretty. Not that, packaging really matters when it comes to, I apologize, my nose is like trying to run, but not. So this, like I said, I know that how it looks does not actually matter. What matters is how it performs, but I know that everything else in this line performs very well. And like I said, this is a type of product, it is a serum, that I was looking to actually have a full size. I get tons of samples in, so many different subscription boxes, but I wanted to actually get a full size serum, because we never know sometimes, especially like with BoxyCharm, BoxyLuxe, or FabFitFun, when we may or may not get a full-size serum. So I really wanted to pick this up. And this is the Mermaid Skin Hyaluronic H2O Serum. So there you can see that. I know I probably just explained, that took me way longer than it needed to explain to you guys. But again, forgive me, my mind's not working. But this is the bottle. I thought it was just so pretty, which, like I said, really is not the point. I do like that it has the hyaluronic acid, because I know that is so good for your skin. But I also love most of their, this is the pump, most of their Rainforest of the Sea products have like a water base to them. So I just did this little pump here. That is what the serum, and it is like a little, it does go a long way. I really can't tell you if it has a smell or not because my sniffer's broke. I don't really smell anything. But literally just that little bit made my skin so soft. The back of this hand is like so soft. Oh, I hope that works. I think that's going to work fantastic. Just first impression, just on the back of my hand. If it works that well and makes my face feel like that, then I probably have just found my go-to serum. We will see. So, thank you for listening to me ramble. I know for just a couple of products, this video is a little bit long, but like I said, not feeling so hot, so cold medicine, my brain's working in slow-mo, so I do apologize. So again, thank you for sticking with me. But just to recap, I finally did break down and get the Tarte Shape Tape Concealer. This is in Fair, is the shade, and the little sponge, the double duty sponge, because I like, you can use it this way, or you can use it this way. And then what seems to be, from just how it made my skin on the back of my hand feel, this Mermaid Skin Hyaluronic H2O Serum. So, I can't wait to give this a try on my face. And if you look, you can see here how it is in the bottle. So I am excited to give this a try. So let me know your thoughts down below. Have you tried that Mermaid skin serum? Have you tried the Shape Tape concealer? What are your thoughts on it? I can't wait to try it. I hope you all have a fantastic day. And again, thank you for hanging out with me and not struggling, but just pushing along with me through this video as I got all of the information to you. Have a fantastic day, and I will talk with you guys with the next one. Bye.